Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MagniumGear new Neo Qube 2 and Neo Qube 2 Infinity Mirror Edition case. So friend, it's a dual chamber design, mix installation and cable management breeze while all system components are highlighted through the dual channel to the dual tempered glass panels, and friend, both are capable of housing the most powerful gaming system with support for up to triple 360 radiators, and friend, airflow has been optimized with low restriction mesh on all sides and high quality slidable dust filter at the bottom, and friend, the digital DRGB lighting is integrated and comes with pre-programmed controller that works software fish straight out of the box, and friend, the Neo Qube 2 comes with all connector installed to allow for digital RGB expansion and optionally syncs with compatible motherboard to allow for software control. And friend, if I talk about the pricing is starting at $129.99 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.